Lovely Saturday out here, enjoying the weather while we can. But I have been working on just uh, structuring out exactly how you can get paid on customer volume, especially for people that don't feel like they can handle the cost of what GLP-1 is going to cost. This can be both on the customer side and the consultant side. Obviously, this will be, if it is a customer, a conversation of sharing it with other people, becoming a consultant so that they can qualify for commissions to help them get paid. So let me show you here. I've got a little slide deck. Share. Sorry, my screen's really dim because I'm outside. All right, Keynote. All right, so we will start here at the top. How to offset your product. So again, somebody that has hesitation at price point, let's show them how they can offset. First of all, it won't pay for the total amount of the product, but it will help offset it by more than half. If they became a consultant and they have 4 friends that want to buy the GLP system, then they're going to get $20 in daily pay. It's the profit difference is the difference between what a customer pays and what a consultant pays. Consultants are going to be $159.99. Customers on subscription $179.99. And all these scenarios assume that somebody's coming in as a subscription-based customer. If they come in as a retail customer, the numbers just get higher. Instead of 20 per person, you're going to get 40 per person. But all of this is going to be assuming they're on subscription. So they get those 4 people in, they get in the daily pay $80. And $80 as far as a commissionable volume, each one of those is 128 SV. So that's going to put them over 500, which is needed for the Onyx level of personal sales bonus qualification. Actually puts them at what, 512. So they're Onyx, they're going to qualify for a 5% monthly bonus on all their customer volume. And if you take that 128 times the 4 people and 5%, that's an additional 2560. So in this scenario, somebody could get down, reduce the cost by $105.60 with commissions that are paid to them. And as a consultant, remember, these people are going to pay $20 less for their personal order of GLP-1. So that's step 1, just reducing it a little bit. Doesn't pay for everything, but let's look at paying for all of it. So this is going to pay for the product and a little extra into their pocket. If they get 8 people who want to buy the GLP system from them, that is going to qualify them for $160 in daily pay, right? Again, it's going to be the profit difference between what customer pays and what consultants pay. That will put them at Emerald on the personal sales bonus tiers, and that's a 10% monthly bonus. Commissionable volume, again, is 128 per order if it's just GLP-1. 128 times 8 and 10% of that's going to be $102.40. So now they've earned in commissions $262.40, which is going to cover their GLP-1 system, their tax, their shipping, and they're going to have extra in their pocket at the end of the month. All right, let's make some more money. So if they get 16 people buying the GLP-1 system, daily pay 20 per person times 16 is $320. That's going to actually now qualify them for the Sapphire tier of the sales bonus. That's 15% additional on all that customer volume, or $307.20. The total payout now jumps. Look at that, you guys. Getting to Sapphire and having 16 people that are ordering from you is going to be a total payout of $627.20. And again, they're paying the consultant pricing at this point. All right, let's get higher. Let's get them to Diamond. So minimum, you would need 32 people if they're just buying the GLP-1 system. $20 times 32, $640. So we're basically back already above what that last one was, $640 in daily pay. Qualify for Diamond, they get another bump on that monthly bonus. They get to the top where it's 20%. And that commissionable volume being 128 per order, 32 people at 20%, that's an additional $819.20. So now they've earned total commissions $1,459.20. I'll fix that 0.2 here. Okay. All right. Last one. No. I've got two more actually. So let's say somebody wants, significant bump in extra money that they're earning. If they found 50 people, and I'm telling you, when you start posting before and afters and your personal journey on this, you're going to have other people that that see you on Facebook that are going to want these products. And so if you got 50 people on the GLP-1, that's going to be $20 a person on the daily pay, $1,000 total. Qualified for Diamond again, you're above that 4,000 in sales volume on personal customers, 20% monthly bonus on all of them. So 128 of volume times 50 at 20% is $1,280. Total payout, you guys, now has jumped over $2,000. We're at $2,280. And let's just take it one more step. Let's say somebody just crushes it. They've got a lot of friends on Facebook, seeing what they're doing. They're loving that journey. And you actually get, let's say, 100 people buying GLP-1 from you. And there's going to be people, I promise you, in October that personally have over 100 people that are buying GLP-1 from them. So daily pay on that's going to be $20, as it has been this whole slide deck. But now times 100 people, that's $2,000 just in daily pay. Diamond's going to give them that 20% monthly bonus on all that volume. So that's going to be 128 times 100, 12,800 times 20% is 2,560. Look at that total payout, you guys, $4,560. That's significant. Like, that's going to change most Americans' life if they could put an extra $4,500, over 4,000 extra into their pocket every month. So you can see there how it scales up pretty nicely, starting with 4 people and going up from there, depending if they just want to offset it a little bit, or if they want it paid for, or they want to hit it out of the park, get 100 plus people, they'll make over $4,500 in commission. We've got some cool shareables I've seen some other people doing. The ones I saw this morning, the math checks out. There's a few that I have seen in the past that the math doesn't check out. Keep in mind, when we talk about that personal sales bonus and profit difference, when we combine the two, we're usually saying that profit difference is around 10%. But if you look at, the difference on the GLP-1, customers are paying $179.99. We'll call it $180 for a rough number. Consultants are paying $159.99. Call it $160 for a rough number. That's $20 difference, right? So 10% of $179.99 is going to be $17.99. So you can see it's slightly higher than what if you just put a flat 10% on there is. And that's why I wanted to kind of detail out for you exactly what it would be, because it's higher than 10%. And that overall number is going to get you there faster with less customers. So just make sure when you're passing on the information, the numbers actually match what the commission is going to show. All of those numbers in there are only based off of somebody buying the GLP-1. We know other people are going to order more than that. Some people will probably turn in consultants as well too, which is going to unlock other areas of the compensation plan for them. So that's just kind of a quick, like 10,000 foot overview, quick snapshot of what could happen when this is launched on October 11th. Lovely Saturday out here, enjoying the weather.